Guys, somebody said it's time for a cook with me. I'm cooking breakfast. I'm doing specialty pancakes right here on My Take on Home and Garden. Stay with us. We're having fun now, guys. I have a recipe for superb, extra fun, off the chain good pancakes. And we're gonna start out with our Jiffy mix. Simple directions on the back. All you have to add is eggs and oil. I've got 2 eggs in. Okay, you can see that. I'm gonna do 2 more because I know how much you guys like seeing eggs cracking. It's just something about it that makes a cook show. Now I'm making a double batch. Here real quick it says 2 cups of Jiffy, 1 1/4 cup milk, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons oil. So I've doubled this. I've got 4 cups of Jiffy mix. I'm gonna put in 2 1/2 cups of milk substitute, 4 eggs, and 4 tablespoons of oil. And that's the whole recipe. And I wanna tell you over here, we got our Jimmy Dean sausage already cooked. Oh, do I have to tell you. Guys, the coffee is done. Oh Lord. The sausages are like perfection. Angela's gonna have a fit. I'm fighting the wrestling the camera. 4 tablespoons of oil for this double recipe. What do we got to make this special? 100% Colombian coffee by Maxwell House. In, do I have to say it? Oh, good heavens, look at this. Now, if you don't have a My Take on Home and Garden coffee mug, it just can't possibly taste the same. Let me make sure. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's good. Yum, 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 yum. I'm gonna take, now I have 2 bowls here. One, I put all the mixture in. I'm gonna take my big fork, probably my favorite way to use a mixing bowl, and really get this cranking, okay? Hopefully you can see we're breaking some eggs. Now I've just got the oil and egg in there. This recipe is so good, you're not even gonna believe it, and you're gonna probably doubt it at first. We're gonna replace the milk with orange juice. Maybe some of you have heard of it. Okay, so we need 4 cups of orange juice. You dieters, you're not even gonna believe. You would think that you cannot make this without milk. But it's just not true. Look at this. Now we're gonna have to mix this real good. You want your pancakes a certain way, you want thick or thin, and you can adjust like you know how to do. So what I've done, I've taken 4 cups of the batter mix, just the basic mix from the package, put it in a separate bowl. Because I wanna do a couple of different pancakes. This is what I need to cook right here. You're looking at this corner, the L shape, which includes the stove and the sink. Right? Okay, now we're on a roll. I've got a bag of what was frozen mixed fruit from Uncle Wally's. I've got a quart of blueberries, fresh. You can get the fresh just as expensive as the frozen or anything else. I'm gonna put about 1/3 of them in the small bowl, and I'm gonna check them for poison. Make sure. Let's try a blueberry pancake first. I've got this big pancake pan on 4. I think I want to take it up a little bit. And you know we're going to use our Crisco all vegetable shortening. I might get some of them southern folk telling me about pork fat and this and that. It's all preference. Pork fat, put that in the beans for me. Pancakes, I don't want it in it. But I'm gonna eat it on the side with the sausage anyway. But I don't need a double portion. Wonderful. I think that's increased in its temperature now. You just get used to things, you know, and it just smells right. Okay, let's try a ladle of pancake batter. You see, this is just what I'm looking for. The pancake only covers half of the berry. Those fresh berries just stand right up out of there. Oh my goodness sake, this is a beaut. Look at this. So we're gonna let that catch up. I'm gonna have to open a can for my next deal. So we've opened a can of corn. We're gonna drain it, of course, and I'm gonna save that kind of for last. Okay, so we got the first person's plate. And I'm flipping these blueberry pancakes. Good night. Look at the color. Look at the blueberry heat up and pop. Right there. With that wonderful fresh juice. Man, oh man, these are gonna be good. First person right here coming up. That'll be the sun. And then I'm gonna show you the keto version, which is Angela. And I'm gonna get that going and we'll be right back. Keto, mosquito. Here's our first service. And I'm gonna take just a little bit of that confectionery sugar and dust the top. And they'll think they went out and spent a bunch of money when you don't have to. Get that syrup on. Now, I'm gonna make a second pancake out of the first batter mix that we did. Totally different pancake. Let's check our grease. We're gonna add a little bit. And why I'm so big on the Crisco, guys, is that crispy edge. Oh my goodness, do I have to tell you cooks out there? Probably not. That's where that crispy edge is coming from. Look at these, perfect pancake if you use a ladle and just kind of measure. We'll get two going. They start out thin and they just turn into perfect. You know you're flipping when you see them bubblies pop on top. Country brown and crispy. Just what we want. Now the second side doesn't take long. I hear that keto portion. Okay, we're gonna get them out right now. I'm gonna, oh my goodness, I'm gonna take that off the heat for a sec. Turn it down a little bit. More oil. And I want to show you our preparation for our wonderful pecan pancakes. We're gonna put some pecans on top. We're gonna get that syrup all around those pecans. And then we're gonna get that powdered sugar a little bit on there. And that is a pretty pancake, guys. Right there. Ready to go. Next, I want to show you that last one. We opened a can of kernel corn. We're going to put half of it in our mix. We're going to save the other half for lunch. Okay, and we're going to incorporate that into our batter. Now these are corn fritters, and guys, I'm telling you, they're so good, you won't even believe it works. You just can't believe how good. You want to put a smile on your family's face. Right here. This'll do it. Unless they don't like corn. And they come from somewhere in outer space. Somewhere else. Okay, that'd be the only way they couldn't like them. And guys, here's our keto breakfast for Miss Angela. 2/3 bag of microwave cauliflower. 6 minutes. Tender and steamy and wonderful. And look at that melted butter, salt and pepper, and a bowl of something she will eat that goes with that diet. Blueberries, I guess they're legal for that diet, you know. So we're gonna get that over to her. Okay guys, and now here we are with the 2 corn fritters. These are the ones that your family's just gonna tell everybody about. And when my kids were growing up, I would do this for them. I would cut a banana in half, leave half of it on the skin like a boat, and just put a little cinnamon, sugar, or nutmeg on there and serve it like this. Look how cute. Now here's the mixed fruit and the pecan and cut banana pancake. Okay. Guys, I know you liked our video today. Thanks for coming by. I'm gonna do a couple more, and I'm gonna get some close-ups. Well, folks, hopefully you liked our breakfast. Cook with me, specialty pancakes. Take that little extra moment and make them special. Guys, take care now. Don't forget your Christmas breakfast, and around the holidays, make them special. Why not? Takes a little more effort, just a little more. Ask your partner for a little help. Get out of the chair and pitch in. Take care, guys. Give us a like, a share, a comment, send a friend over, tell your mom, your sister, your brother. We'll see you in the next fun, over-the-top, amazing, informative, certainly, hopefully, video.